In a world where we can take hundreds of photos without thinking, handing a young person a film camera is a gift of slowness, of thoughtfulness, of intention. For the past several years, I've had the chance to guide my kids and their cousins through that experience, helping them see the world through a lens that doesn't give instant answers. It's not just about teaching photography, it's about teaching them how to look more carefully and how to see. Film slows everything down. You don't get to check your shot. You don't swipe through dozens of versions. You only get 24 or 36 shots, and every one of them counts. That scarcity makes you pay attention. It invites you to pause before pressing the shutter, to commit. It teaches you that no matter what, it isn't about how many photos you take, but how deeply you connect to what you're seeing. Every time I do this, I give the kids a film camera. I set it to aperture priority mode or program mode. Autofocus makes it simple. I set it to single frame advance so they can take their time. Before they begin, I walk them through a few simple ideas. Rule of thirds, watching the background, waiting for the moment, and then I let them go. They walk, they look, they think, and they shoot when it feels right. And when the roll is finished, we head to the darkroom, and that is where the magic happens. They load the film onto the film reels, develop it by hand. They hang it to dry, cut it into strips, make contact sheets, and pick their favorite image. Then they make an 11 by 14 inch print, start to finish, entirely by hand. That part, the physical, chemical realness of it, it connects them to their image in a way nothing else does. It becomes theirs. I know not everyone has access to a darkroom, but you don't need one to give them this experience. You can send the film to a lab, you can scan it at home, you can develop it in your bathroom sink with just a few tools. What matters isn't how complex the setup is, it's the process, it's the intention, the chance to shoot slowly without constant feedback, and let the image unfold later. What I've seen year after year is that they slow down. They don't blast through their rolls, they take their time, they look harder. Most of them stick to the same lens. There's no pressure to switch gear constantly, and it becomes about the image, not about the options. Some of them needed encouragement early on. It's easy to be afraid of wasting film, but when they realize that trying is the point, they grow more confident. And that confidence carries through, not just in photography, but in how they see and trust their own perspective. If you want to share this with someone in your life, here are a few things that help. Start with a camera that has auto exposure and autofocus. Use aperture priority or program mode to keep things simple. Set it to single frame advance. Slowing down changes everything. Teach them a couple of composition tips, then let them explore. Don't rush. Let them shoot over days or even weeks, and help them to choose one photo to print or share, one they're proud of. That's often all it takes. Film teaches patience, it teaches care. It teaches young photographers that they have something to say and that their way of seeing the world matters. When they see that final image develop with their own hands or even just arriving from the lab, they know they made that. They saw that. That's the gift of film, and it's a gift worth passing on. If you like the content I'm creating, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much.